Hi, hola, bonjour, and Salaam. Welcome to Blueprint Bazaar. This is part 3 of our plastic shredder machine full assembly walkthrough. In the previous part, we placed and assembled the mounting side plates onto the main frame using multiple mates to define positions and constraints. Everything looked fine structurally, but now it's time for some quick optimization and cleanup to keep our assembly efficient and stable. In this short session, we'll focus on refining one of the mates that needs better alignment to improve flexibility for future parts. Then, we'll delete 2 redundant mates that are either over-constraining the model or simply no longer needed. This kind of cleanup is essential for larger mechanical assemblies, especially when motion or tolerances matter, because unnecessary mates can cause errors, slow rebuild times, or interfere with further design changes. Thank you for joining us on this short but impactful update. If you're finding this series useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next parts as we build this machine step by step, right here on Blueprint Bazaar. See you in part 4.